Today's video is slightly different in a way that it was prompted by recent events in my own life that I realized I really should share here with you. Obviously, as you can imagine, all my friends know very well I am a financial planner. They know I work with clients who prepare for retirement and those who already retired. And more or less, they know what my work involves. Well, my wrong assumption was that after many discussions, debates, explanations, heart-to-heart talks between us, I honestly thought that all my friends would be well prepared for certain obstacles and unexpected events, especially those impacting the financial side of our life. A couple of weeks ago, I received a phone call from a dear friend of mine, crying over the phone and begging me for help. Her partner of many years, who's been suffering from cancer for the last 2 years, was in a bad place. He'd been hospitalised many times before, but last time we met, which was only 6 months ago, he appeared to be okay. We had lunch together, laughed together, we really had a great night out. And now suddenly my friend is calling me saying that he was taken to palliative care and he wasn't well at all. But this was not the reason why she called. Only at this very final stage of his life, she realized that her partner has never made a will. If he dies now, she could be in real trouble considering complexity of their lives prior to them being together. I was shocked. How was it possible that a person that was so close to me, that I spoke with so many times about importance of legal documents, still hasn't done anything about that? What can I do right now? Isn't that a little bit too late? The important fact of that story is that the day she called me was late Friday. Friday, so we have weekend coming up. People don't work over weekend. Who am I supposed to call right now? Luckily, after working in my profession for that many years, I've created close relationships with other professionals, and a good lawyer can be your best friend when you need this kind of help. So again, I want to remind you, it was late Friday afternoon. I jumped on the phone to call my colleague lawyer. Her name is Hazel Todd from Hazel Legal. I explained the situation and I was begging her if it was in any way possible to visit our sick friend on Saturday the following day. Remember, lawyers don't work Saturdays. Lawyers work by appointments. You wait your turn when they are available. But to my surprise and happiness, for lack of a better word, Hazel agreed to come with me to see our friend the following day, Saturday afternoon. The next day, I saw our sick, dying friend for the first time since our lunch together. I really couldn't recognize him. He was thin like a skeleton, white hair, about 20 years older looking than 6 months prior. Cancer is horrible. But to our surprise, he was very alert. His mind was sharp. He was talking with us and with the lawyer, answering all the questions with full mental capacity. Hazel was amazing. She prepared all legal documents right there on the spot. She brought with her her little mobile version of her office. She even had a little printer. So she prepared the will, enduring powers of attorney, medical powers of attorney, and everything, all documents got signed by our friend and were witnessed as legally required. Well, you should see the look on his face, happy, with peace of mind, feeling content, and with no further worry. I look at my friend, her face was showing the feeling of relief, security, and gratitude. Personally, I also felt very relieved, as I know exactly what families go through when close one dies if no will. The following day, I received a phone call from the hospital to advise that our friend passed away late Sunday afternoon while peacefully asleep. This is a sad story and a sad video, but this is life. The reason to tell you this is hopefully to make you aware of importance of those legal documents. And most certainly they are not age related. It doesn't mean that only people who pass certain age should have wills in place. It applies to every single person that has some kind of assets and cares about their family, not to put them through hell of legal drama. My name is Katherine from About Retirement. If you need any assistance with your retirement planning as well as estate planning, feel free to contact me. All my details are listed in the description below this video. If you are looking for a caring lawyer to help you with those legal documents, I have no hesitation recommending Hazel Todd from Hazel Legal. Contact details are also listed below my video. If you found this video a bit moving and the topic itself you see as being important, please like this video and share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel not to miss the next video. But don't leave without watching a series of videos about how to be best prepared financially for your future retirement. Great ideas that I share with you what you can do with your superannuation money to boost your retirement savings and your income. Second part of videos is for you if you are getting ready to retire soon or you've already retired and want to improve your age pension position. See you next time.